Hey, everybody, quick public service announcement to anybody going through a divorce. Too many times I've seen cases, whether I'm representing man or woman, who gets depressed when they're going through divorce and they start drinking a lot. So I've seen terrible situations where people drink to excess on a daily basis or quite often and then drive. And it's just a matter of time before they get caught. So they complicate their lives even more. They're already going through a divorce, maybe one that they didn't want, and now they have DUI charge pending. Sometimes I've seen multiple DUI charges pending because they drink and drive, get caught, and then a few weeks later do the same thing. Once I saw a case where the same person got pulled over by the same police officer coming out of the same bar, okay, within a few months. Don't let that be you. Here's the purpose of this video. Don't drink and drive, all right? I've been in court, I can't tell you how many times, and then I've met a friend of mine, another lawyer who's handling DUI cases in a separate wing of a courthouse. And the DUI courthouse day, on that day, there's so many defendants and lawyers that they can't all fit in this huge courtroom. They're like spilling out into the hallway, all right? DUIs are a mess. Don't do it. Don't drink impaired. Not even one if you can avoid it, because it generates so much money for the municipalities, for the court system, in fines, for probation, for if you're ordered to do psychological counseling or therapy. All that money is generated. They build these $100 million courthouses with all that DUI money. Then you have certain jurisdictions where you're forced to get an interlock. So you're paying to get this thing installed in your car, and the software updates every so often. Then when they have to take it out and they malfunction, can you believe it? What are you going to do if your interlock malfunctions or the software is not up to date, or it doesn't recognize that it's you blowing into it and you can't start your car and it's 0 degrees outside? Listen, be smart. We're talking an ounce of prevention here. I'm not even talking about what happens if you have a child custody battle going on and you get caught or you get charged with a DUI and convicted. You know, that's a whole nother issue I can talk about. Don't drink and drive. Be safe, be smart, okay? And be careful out there. Share this if you know somebody that needs to see it. If you're going through a divorce and you're depressed, it happens more often than not. Get counseling, but not out of the bottom of a bottle, okay? Be smart. Take good care of yourself. You got to be in the best version possible, mentally, emotionally, physically, and then alcohol's not going to help you. Leave a comment. Have a good day. Be careful. Come on.